Good night, teacher. This is my report about the photo. Start. Number one. What do you think is the best way to acquire a good English pronunciation? Answer. I think the best way to acquire good English pronunciation is by listening and repeating watching movies. Listening to native speakers and practicing with app or language. Sharing partners can help a lot. Also, focusing on the sound of the language and practicing daily is very important. Number two, how can people gain fluency to speak English? To gain fluency, people need to practice speaking regularly. It's important to speak out first of making mistakes. Having conversation taking in English and using English in everyday situations are very helpful. Reading and listening to English daily also support fluency. Question number three. Is possible for non-native English speaker to acquire an excellent accent? Yes, it's possible. Also, it can be challenging. Some people can get very close to a native accent if they practice from a young age for work hard on pronunciation and intonation. However, having a perfect accent is not always necessarily clear. Communication is more important. Question number four. How do you prefer to acquire a real and fluent English accent? What would you do? So, I would prefer to acquire a fluent accent by imitating native speakers through videos and sounds. I will record myself speaking and compare it with native pronunciation. Also, I will try to talk with native speakers as much as possible, and I maybe take pronunciation classes to improve. Thank you, Teshi, very much.